Hello everyone. On this occasion, at ICOBAR, I will present our conference paper with entitled Handrail with Sanitizer to Support Sustainability and Ergonomic for User. My name is Rudy Fakhrurozi, and my partner are Mr. Yayan Sudiarta, Mr. Alterson Grafikalai, Mr. Taufik Rohni Sahroni, and our email is below this page. First, introduction. Design for disassembly is a design strategy that considers the future need to disassemble a product for repair, refurbish, or recycle. Design for disassembly, or DFD, is a design concept that designers use to facilitate the dismantling process of products. Generally, DFD involves simplifying the manufacturing process, reducing needed time and cost for assembly, allowing recovery of components and materials. Benefit of designing for assembly. First, facilitate maintenance and repair, thereby reducing costs. And then, facilitate part or component reuse, thereby recovering materials and reducing costs. And then, assist material recycling, thereby avoiding disposal and handling of waste. Assist product testing and failure mode or end-of-life analysis, and then facilitate product take-back and extended producer responsibility, thereby reducing liability and assisting in regulatory compliance. And here some research explain DFD technique include because there is not much reference and research that focus on hand dryers, than us trying to design a hand dryer using designing for the assembly concept, where our concept provide hand dryer that easily accessible for children, adults, and people with disabilities with a comfortable body for ergonomy. In addition, we try to design an environmentally friendly hand dryer with recycled material that have proven durability and sustainability. Second, materials and methods. For the 3D representation of the hand dryer, it was decided to SolidWorks, which is a CAD software computer-aided design developed by Dassault System, used to draw, and for the three-dimensional design parameters, we selected SolidWorks. List of selection criteria to be measured for design concept A, concept B, and concept C, which is concept A, that is our design, and concept B is common hand dryer we made in toilet. Just look at the picture. How hard the children to use the hand dryer. And concept C is then hand dryer rarely we made on toilet. This is not friendly for disabilities people. And look at the table. Selection criteria are manufacturing process, easy to produce, is it plus or minus, every concept, and material safety, ergonomic design, size, easy to install, other cheap, price, and then the weekend summary of the point. So we can get the ranking, and based on the result of table 1, the design concept A is selected for further development due to the highest. And next table are list of the concept scoring for the 3 concepts of design. From the table, the research showed that design concept A is selected to the highest ranking. Table 3 is a collection of material specification data from ABS material, HDPE material, PP material, and VLDPE material to be used as a comparison to decide what material to use when analyzing using SolidWorks visualization. There is mass, volume, density, weight, zero strength, temperature, tensile strength, elastic modulus, Poisson ratio, mass density, yield strength, and max deformation. Is it used to calculating in SolidWorks? Third, result and discussion. The design product that support to every one user. It has draw on CAD application SolidWorks, and this is our design, which is to support ergonomic and sustainability, which is has to spraying at the top and the bottom. In this illustration at image, we can see how can the product function to friendly use for every user, even disabilities person or children, and for tall people is still comfortable with position and size of hand dryer. Besides ergonomic factor, in this design should have to know what kind of material in use and is it safe to user and environment also. And here the video maximum stress from the product. Let's see together. This is one. There is one point stress. We can see the red color or orange color, which is the highest stress in this design. Based on the result, we can know the maximum stress in some point in product is maximum 7.873 Newton meter square. That value is below from limit strength from material. ABS has tensile strength more from the maximum stress. So the design product with material ABS is safe and have good durability for user. And we can see the comparison maximum stress versus tensile strength. Every material have a value for max stress, maximum stress, and tensile strength. In the material comparison, in maximum stress versus tensile strength, we could say that VLDP and ABS is better than other, but VLDP is rarely to have the material, and ABS is easier to get material in industrial, so this material support product to be produced. And for conclusion, this paper present the design of hand dryer is accordance with the function and uses that are ergonomic as well as user-friendly, because there is not much reference and research that focus on hand dryers. Then us trying to design a hand dryer that easily accessible for children, adults, and people with disabilities with a comfortable body position. In addition, now we try to design an environmentally friendly hand dryer with a cycle material that have proven durability and sustainability. And this is our reference for our paper. And this is the end for our conference paper presenting. Thank you and bye bye.